Hi students, in this video we are going to see question number 7 and 8 from exercise number 8.4. Look at this question. I am going to take the LHS. I am going to solve. We are going to bring the tan theta as our answer. By looking at the question, it's very visible. Sin theta is common in the numerator. Cos theta is common in the denominator. Let us take it outside. So from numerator we are taking sin theta outside. The remaining is 1 minus 2 into cube. One sign is taken out, the remaining will be sin squared theta. From 3 sin theta, 1 sin theta we have taken outside. So from down, we'll take cos theta as a common term, we'll take it outside. So the remaining is 2 cos squared theta minus 1 we should take. Here any one of the term. So either numerator and denominator you do the simplification. So I am selecting numerator for the simplification. Why we are doing now? Either both should come in the sin or both should come in the cos to cancel. So tan theta I need the answer. Sin by cos will give you tan, no problem. Only these two we have to cancel. Either you make it into cos or make it into sin. So numerator I am going to make it in cos now. So sin theta into 1 minus this 2 you keep as it is. Sin square theta by using the first identity. Our first identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. If I want sin squared in terms of cos means that plus cos will go that side. So 1 minus cos square theta it will be. So in this place of sin square theta I can apply the 1 minus cos square theta. So 1 minus cos square theta we can write. Divided by denominator you keep as it is. Don't make it a sign again. You cannot cancel it. So 2 cos square theta minus 1 denominator as it is. Numerator only the changes. So sin theta. This 1 minus 2 ones are 2. This minus into minus will become plus 2 into cos square theta. 2 cos square theta it will be. Denominator I am writing as it is. So numerator only the changes. Here minus 2 plus 1 we are getting minus 2 plus 1 will give you minus 1. So sin theta into this one minus 1. So I am writing 2 cos square theta minus 1 we are writing now. Denominator you just write as it is. 2 cos square theta minus 1. This and this will get cancelled the same term. So sin theta by cos theta will give you tan theta. So that is nothing but your RHS value. So we have taken the LHS, we proved the RHS. So hence proved. The first proof is over. We'll go to the 7th problem now. Okay student, look at the 7th one. Sin A plus cosecant A the whole square plus cos A plus secant A the whole square equal to 7 plus tan squared A cot squared is our question. Now this is look like A plus B the whole square. So let us expand and write now. So here sin A plus cosecant A the whole square. So sin squared A plus cosecant squared A plus A squared B squared plus 2AB. So 2 sin A cosecant A we should take. Sin A and cosecant A together, if it's written a cosecant is nothing but 1 by sin. So 1 by sin will be written, it will be getting cancelled easily. So here also A plus B the whole square. A is cos A, B is secant A. So A squared is cos squared A, B squared is secant squared A plus 2AB, 2 into cos A secant A we should write. Here this is sin squared A, this is cos squared A. Sin squared A plus cos squared A will give you 1. So let us write the 1 plus this cosecant A you keep as it is. This one 2 sin A cosecant A. So that is 2 sin A. Cosecant A will be written as 1 by sin A. So the sin A and the sin A will get cancelled. Plus this one we already added with sin squared A. No need to write again. The secant A will come as it is now. Plus 2 into this one cos A into here secant A ma. So this is secant only. So 2 cos A into secant A will be written as 1 by cos A. So cos A and cos A will get cancelled. So here 1 plus, here we have 1 2, here we have 1 2 plus this one cosecant squared A plus secant squared A. So this is the terms we are getting. So 1 plus 2 will give you 5 plus cosecant and secant we are getting, but I want tan and cot. So what you should do now, you have to do the identity. So cosecant squared A will be written as 1 plus cot squared A. Secant squared A will be written as 1 plus tan squared A. So here 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 1 will give you 7. 7 plus tan squared A plus cot squared A. So that is your right hand side of your problem. So we have taken the LHS, we have proved to the RHS now. So hence all it's proven now. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, subscribe our channel for more videos.